Hi, welcome to the Science Squad. My name is Capellan.
And my name is Robles.
Now, for today's video, we are going to discuss about the urinary system and how it works. We will also discuss about the parts of it, the well-known problems, and the facts. So without further ado, let's jump to the video. First, let's talk about what is the urinary system.
The urinary system, also known as the renal system, produces, stores, and eliminates urine. The kidneys liquid waste excreted. The kidneys make urine by filtering waste and extra water from the blood. Urine travels from the kidney through two thin tubes called the ureters and fills the bladder. When the bladder is full, a person urinates through urethra to eliminate the waste.
How does the urinary system works?
The urinary system's function is to filter blood and create urine as a waste byproduct. The urinary system organs include the kidneys, renal pelvis, ureters, bladder, and urethra. The body takes nutrients from food and converts them into energy. After the body has taken the food components that it needs, waste products are left behind in the bowel and the blood.
Now, we're done discussing about the urinary system means and how this works. Now, let's jump to the next part, which is the part of the urinary system and its functions.
First up, we have the kidneys.
The two kidneys. This pair of purplish-brown organs is located below the ribs towards the middle of the back. Their function is to remove waste products and the medicines from the blood, balance the body fluids and the variety of electrolytes, release hormones to control blood pressure and red blood cells productions, and also to help with the bone health by controlling the calcium and phosphorus. Second, we have the ureters. And what the ureters do?
Two ureters. These are the narrow tubes that carry urine from the kidneys to the bladder. Muscles in the ureter walls keep tightening and relaxing. This forces urine downward, away from the kidneys. If urine backs up or can stand still, a kidney infection can develop. About every 10 to 15 seconds, small amounts of urine are emptied into the bladder from the ureters. Now that we are done with the kidneys and the ureters, let's go into the third part of this organ, the bladder. And let's see what the urinary bladders do on our body.
This triangular shaped hollow organs in our lower belly. It is held in place by the ligaments that are attached to the other organs in the pelvic bones. The bladder walls relax and expand to store urine, and then contract and flatten to empty the urine through the urethra. The typical healthy adult bladder can store up to 2 cups of urine for 2 to 5 hours. Sphincter muscles. These circular muscles that help us to keep the urine from leaking by closing tightly like a rubber band around the bladder's opening to eliminate the urine on our body. Two nerves in the bladder. The nerves alert a person when it's time to urinate or to empty the bladder. And lastly, the last part of the urinary system, which is the urethra. What is the function of urethra?
Lastly, we have urethra. This tube allows urine to pass outside the body. The brain signals the bladder muscle to tighten. This squeezes urine out of the bladder. At the same time, the brain signals the sphincter muscle to relax, to let the urine exit the bladder through the urethra. When all the signals happen in the correct order, normal urination occurs.
And we are done. I hope you learned something from today's video. So, that's it, and thanks for watching.